हे हाय एवरीवन। कैसे हो आप सब लोग? अच्छे ही हो गए। तो आज हम थोड़ा टेक्निकल रिलेटेड डिस्कस करेंगे एंड कुछ सीखेंगे, कुछ नया सीखेंगे, कुछ अच्छा सीखेंगे एंड या so let's talk about the Camunda actually. So Camunda is basically it will be benefit for those people actually who is already working in uh, IT sectors and they want to learn actually. They want to learn from the basics as well, and who is already working on the previous versions of the Camunda, they can also get to know how its Camunda it is working actually. In local they can set up and they can run and process any applications actually over here. Okay, yeah, so let's start. So, guys, as you can see on my screen, this is a basic flow that I have created to just process. Okay, in my local. So, what we are doing here, we are just requesting one order. That order item process is checking inside the inventory actually. Okay, this is available or not. If that is available, it is checking on this condition. Okay, it is available. It is available, so it will go there and process this particular service task and will mark it complete. If it is not available, it will process this service task and mark it rejected. Okay, so this is basic kind of flow that I've created. Mm, and actually if you see, there are many tasks you can use that using this. If there are the user tasks and tasks receive tasks, so this all tasks have different responsibility and they process the different particular logic. So that's what. So currently in my case I want to use the service task because we are going to checking and some logics over there, service related thing. uh, that this particular order is available or not. So that's what. So we need to process that order. So that's why I'm using the service task. Okay. So let's start. So here I have created the application, Spring Boot application. As you can see, controller, service, product, available product. This is our basic actually. I have created just inventory, local inventory over here, and order worker, order process application as well, right? So this is the main particular main class that we are going to run that particular in our local. So let's see here one thing more actually. Yeah, so in Camunda ad we need to we need the GB client, we need Elasticsearch, and we need uh, that particular operate. So why we are using these three terminals, these three particular different uh, components we can say, right? Camunda components we can say that. So GB client, it's like a broker actually, that going to execute your application and committed your snapshot from your application actually. And if you are going to use the Elastic, so you have to use the inside GB client, you have to use the exporter as well. Exporter is working as a bridge. It work as a bridge actually to just establish the communication between GB client and Elasticsearch. And operate is nothing. It's a UI where you kind of get all the incidents, get all the process and not processed task actually rejected task. So that's what. Okay. So let's see here, just open that particular operate UI. So operate UI currently being executed on this local host 8080. I already log in at so that's why I don't need to log in, don't need to log in. By default the password is actually for me, this is demo I have set here, right? Okay, so let's execute that. So you can see it's all the process instance ID and all the things that is being captured here. So let me run that particular, let me hit that particular API, hit that API for processing that order. So before hitting that API, we need to store some actually data in our inventory, item in our inventory. So I'm just going to store that. Suppose that I'm storing here two. So item available is two now, and if I'm storing here four, so item available is six now. Okay. So now I'm going to order that item. Okay. So let me order this. So if I'm ordering the two here, right? On 143, if I'm ordering here the two, and we can check on this particular screen, we can go there, we can see. Okay, See inside the finished task. See, this is finished. Okay, let me check that. How many? So remaining item is 4, item available is 4. Okay, and this order completed because already we have the 6 item available in our inventory. So one order is coming for the 2 actually, 2 item process. So 2 item is processed and the remaining item is 4 available. Okay, now we are going to again hit the 4 here, and we can check that. Okay, I didn't. Okay, let's see. On the order ID, I just not just processing actually, but I'm not making here any unique order things for the order ID. I'm just checking that particular this kind of flow. Okay, so let's see particular this is completed or not regarding this order ID. Okay, so if you see now I have available item is 0. Okay, that 143 order ID is processed the 4 item as well, the same ID. That processed. Okay, previously it has processed the 2, and now it has processed the 4. So all 6 item has been captured. So now I am going to use the order ID. Some other person came and they ordered the 2 items again, but I don't have any item inside the inventory. So let's see what will happen. Okay, so here we'll go there particular process instance, and we check that. Okay, let's see what will happen if someone has ordered now. So 950, currently the time is 950, so just I hit that particular. So if you see it's has been rejected because we don't have any order item available inside our inventory, and because 143 member already processed, so 144 member didn't get anything. Okay, so now item available is 0. So what happened now, I'm going to create the incident. If I'm sending here the string value in total order item, so it will create the incident actually. So it returning the process instance ID. Let's check that its incident occurred or not. So let's check that. Okay, so 951 incident has been occurred. So let's see that what incident is coming. Okay, the incident is coming for the class cast exception because we need the integer value, but someone has processed the string value. So we can also handle this kind of situation over here. Actually, just go there and edit this value kind of value and just mark it something like that one. Okay, and check that. Okay, check that and reprocess this incident again. So wait for this, it is updating that particular total order item value. It is updated now, so we can again rerun that incident. If you are rerunning that, if you see previously you are getting an error, but now if you are set that value 1 again, it's printed here one value but failed. Actually it is going in the failed section, failed service task, because there is no item available because order 143 already processed order ID. So if you just go there, right? If you just go there, if you see, right, this incident has been resolved, and now it is just following this particular workflow, and it is marking as order rejected. This order is being rejected here. Okay, so if you see, it is complete. This also incident has been resolved. So let's go there and let's go to the finish section. Okay, finish section and open this. So this is result for order ID 144. There is no item available. Okay, got it. Yeah. So the this kind of this is the basic Camunda workflow that you guys also can create in your local actually, and you can run. If you find any problem while particular creating BPMN workflow and using the Camunda, let me know and provide your issue inside the comment section. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Yeah.